What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, your one-stop shop for all things artificial intelligence. Today, we're tackling a topic that's blowing up the tech world, AI video generation. We've all heard about OpenAI's Sora, right? Impressive, sure. But you know what's even more impressive? The incredible strides being made by Chinese AI companies in this field. They're not just catching up, they're innovating and setting new standards. We're talking about AI video that's so realistic, so fluid, it's practically indistinguishable from actual footage. Think photorealistic animals moving with astonishing naturalism, dynamic fight sequences, or serene landscapes rendered in exquisite detail, all generated from text or images using cutting-edge algorithms. We're about to see how the AI-generated content landscape has changed practically overnight. Get ready for a deep dive into some of the most impressive AI video platforms you're likely to discover in 2025. We'll cover the top-performing platforms, explore their features and workflows, and conduct head-to-head comparisons on real-world tests. We'll even see how easy it is to make deepfakes. This is going to be amazing. First up, we have Hailuo MiniMax, the brainchild of the incredibly well-funded MiniMax. This platform is making waves, offering exceptional realism and fluidity in its AI videos. I've personally been blown away by its ability to model real-world motion, precisely movements that feel incredibly lifelike. Whether it's a person walking, a dog bounding across a park, or an astronaut floating on Mars, the results are remarkably natural. And get this, Hailuo MiniMax is primarily focused on video, meaning its AI capabilities are more refined and less diluted across multiple functions. This focus translates to a very high level of visual and motion excellence. This platform also offers a really neat feature, image-to-video capabilities. This means you can provide an existing image, which is something that other tools don't provide, and let the AI bring your creative vision to life. One of my favorite things about the platform is its community. It's active and supportive, providing a great space to share work and learn from the experts. However, generation of videos takes a little while. Though we're seeing impressive gains in speed for AI generative models, you'll have to wait for a few minutes for each attempt. MiniMax, which is backed by some of the biggest names in tech, Alibaba and Tencent. This is a tool to very closely watch. Imagine a bustling city street at rush hour, each figure infused with life. It's an astonishing visual display that brings images directly to life. Next up, let's talk about Kling AI. The creators of this tool are completely reinventing the way we make AI video. Developed by the Chinese short-form video sensation Kuaishou, you can tell it's been created by minds intimately aware of the needs and desires of video consumers. Kling AI is seriously impressive, with its incredibly convincing human and animal motion. I'm still amazed by how accurately it captures emotion, using realistic camera movement to tell a great story. The interface is also a joy to use. It's incredibly intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Now this is where things start to get really interesting. Kling AI gives you full freedom to create long-generation AI videos, something that most platforms still seriously restrict, and these sequences are incredibly coherent and impressive. We also see innovative additions, such as lip-syncing, allowing creators to incorporate dialogue into their visualizations. Kling isn't just a tool. It's a whole new approach to video creation. What is so compelling about this platform is its uncanny ability to accurately follow prompts, translating a very wide range of creative intentions directly into visual detail. But another really neat function is the AI clip extensions. You can tell the tool to extend the video, or simply let it do its thing, another really neat addition. Just picture this. Playful kittens at lunch. Their movements incredibly smooth, graceful, and entertaining. This is what makes Kling AI simply stand out. Now, let's dive into Shengshu Technology's Vidu AI. This platform may be newer, but it's rapidly making a name for itself. Vidu AI's real strength is its speed. It generates high-quality video using a powerful interference system, making it incredibly efficient. You're looking at the conversion of text or images into video in under a minute, an absolute game-changer in a market where most other models generate results that take substantially longer. That speed and remarkable quality come combined with a unique reference-to-video feature. I found this feature incredibly useful because it keeps visual consistency across multiple clips. This is especially useful for longer projects or complex production workflows, where maintaining coherence across the entirety of a production is essential. Plus, guess what? Vidu AI is also able to generate anime-style videos. This is a niche market segment and a big one. It's amazing what creative minds are doing in this area. The versatility of Vidu AI is stunning, making it an incredibly compelling alternative to some of the other less capable AI video generation tools. And get this, there's another advantage here. The platform is fully multilingual, offering both Chinese and English prompts, catering to worldwide users. Imagine a dynamic anime fight scene, both fluid and perfectly aligned with your textual instructions. That's the power of Vidu AI. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something incredibly important: the potential dangers associated with this technology. The realism achieved by these AI video generators raises serious concerns about the creation and spread of deepfakes. As the quality of AI video improves, the potential for malicious uses, such as political manipulation or spreading misinformation, also increases significantly. Although the quality of these models isn't perfect, improvements are coming rapidly. Deepfakes are becoming increasingly difficult to spot even for experts, making them a powerful tool for deception. I found it really easy to use these generative AI tools myself to make some convincing fakes. Of course, all for harmless fun. However, it's important to recognize and acknowledge that this is a serious challenge for society. It highlights the importance of responsible AI development and the need for regulations. All of us need to look for ways to spot fake news and help our friends and family filter such harmful information. It is becoming increasingly difficult to identify fakes nowadays. We really need to stay vigilant. We should all be aware of what is currently possible, work together to prevent any abuse, and be constantly informed and educated on this ever-changing technology. The tools used here highlight just some of this increased capability, which are being developed rapidly. It really is frightening what is coming up next. Let's take a closer look at MiniMax, the company behind Hailuo AI. They're not just focused on video generation. They're aiming to build the next generation of AI experiences on the web. Their other efforts include Talkie AI, a companion app that allows users to chat with personalized AI-generated virtual characters. This app got huge traction, demonstrating the power of AI companion-style products. It highlights MiniMax's savvy in identifying and capitalizing on emerging trends. However, the rapid growth of Talkie also highlights the challenges faced by AI companies in an ever-changing regulatory landscape. It was pulled from Apple's App Store in the US due to unspecified technical reasons. This underlines the importance of balancing rapid innovation with regulatory compliance, particularly in the complex market environment. This is a real concern when building AI products and something that all AI developers need to be aware of. Although MiniMax hasn't commented further on the removal of Talkie, the incident is a sign of the legal and ethical obstacles that can hinder commercial progress, especially that of companies developing generative AI tools. Both Hailuo and Talkie present a compelling case study that demonstrates the commercial potential of AI in the digital and consumer sectors. It shows the power of AI-driven innovation combined with an intuitive user experience. Even if there is a possibility of failure or of legal risks, the potential of this technology continues to build. So, what's the bottom line? The AI video generation landscape is absolutely exploding, and the most remarkable innovators are coming from China. These three platforms, Hailuo MiniMax, Kling AI, and Shengshu Vidu AI, are not just playing catch-up, they're taking the lead. Their capabilities are setting new benchmarks for realism, fluidity, and overall quality, constantly surpassing expectations. This is a situation that every AI enthusiast must know about. From the remarkably realistic human and animal motion in Kling AI to the hyperrealism and versatility of Hailuo MiniMax, and the efficiency and anime expertise of Shengshu Vidu AI, these Chinese video generators have already generated a lot of interest and hype, and rightly so. The potential for these AI video generators is truly awe-inspiring and possibly frightening. They're transforming various industries, from entertainment to education to news production, opening up entirely new possibilities and creative avenues. This technology has the potential to improve communication and increase efficiency immensely, but it also comes with dangers. The ease with which deepfakes can be created emphasizes the importance of responsible AI development. Being aware of how fast the technology of deepfakes is moving is essential for us to spot fake news and disinformation while we discuss the implications for creativity and production. It is essential that we look at this technology alongside its ethical and social consequences. As this field rapidly advances, we'll need to continue monitoring the technological, regulatory, and social ramifications. Be sure to subscribe to All About AI Tech and hit that notification bell so you are ready for the next video. We already have lots planned for the future, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Thanks for watching.